Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a whole chicken in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I've got an organic whole chicken here. This is Rosie the Organic. This one was $2.99 per pound, and it was it's 4.74 pounds. So this was $14.17. These organic chickens, they're a little pricey, but they're good tasting chickens, good fresh tasting chickens. So I'm just going to rinse this off and then put it in a dry slow cooker without adding any liquid. And I'm going to season this inside and out with some of this Kinder's mild barbecue rub. This has sea salt, paprika, spices, garlic, onion, rice concentrate, turmeric, and paprika extract in it. But you can season it any way that you like. This pot is pretty cool because it has a temperature probe. You can see it plugs right into the side of the pot right there. And then there's a hole in the lid of the pot there, so I can just put this right in the thickest part of the chicken breast right there, like that. And now I can cook the chicken to the exact temperature that I want. Now here's how this works. You turn it on, you push probe. I'm going to cook it on high. Push enter, and then the temperature I want to cook my chicken to, I'm going to cook it to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is usually the minimum you want chicken cooked to. So then we just push start. And I'll let you guys know how long that takes. The chicken hit 165 degrees after 3 hours, and then the pot switched over to warm. So it's been in there another hour sitting there on warm, so let's see what the temperature climbed up to just sitting there on warm for an hour. Okay, it's 177 degrees Fahrenheit, so it climbed up about 12 more degrees. Let's open this up and see how it looks. Pull the probe out of there like that, and we'll pull the lid off. It looks pretty good. You can see it made a pretty good amount of liquid on its own. I didn't put any water or liquid in there at all. It makes a lot as it cooks. So anyway, let me get it out of there and we'll try it out. Alright, let's see how this turned out. The skin never turns out very good. It's kind of rubbery usually, but the meat's usually pretty juicy. So we'll cut into this leg here. That looks real juicy. That looks real good. So, looks pretty good. We'll cut into the breast here and see how that looks. Just slice off a piece there. Wow, real juicy, super juicy. Let me grab a bite here and we'll see how this is. That came out real good. Skin's not very good, but the meat's really juicy. I guess we better see what Annie thinks. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. Inhaled. That temperature probe works really good for that because you can cook the chicken to the exact temperature you want, but it was in there for 3 hours, then on warm for another hour. So I would say if you cooked it on high, probably 3 to 4 hours, and if you cook it on low, about 5 to 6 hours. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.